How to implement Claude in C pipelines for AI. Discover how to seamlessly integrate Claude AI models into your C pipelines, enhancing quality assurance in AI projects with advanced automation skills.
Did you know that integrating AI models like Claude and C pipelines can boost your software development efficiency by up to 30%? Welcome to our video on implementing Claude in C pipelines for AI. Today, you'll learn how to seamlessly integrate Claude into your C environment, ensuring top-notch quality assurance for your AI projects. As AI engineering becomes increasingly complex, having a robust C pipeline is crucial. By the end of this video, you'll have the skills to deploy Claude models effectively, enhancing your software development process.
Before diving into the integration process, let's understand what Claude is and its significance in AI engineering. Claude is an advanced AI model designed to streamline AI processes, making it a vital component of modern software development. With its ability to act as a quality gate, Claude ensures that only the highest quality code passes through, reducing errors and improving efficiency. By integrating Claude into your C pipelines, you can automate validation and testing, ensuring compliance with AI development standards. This makes Claude an indispensable tool for AI projects, providing a competitive edge in the tech industry. Now that you're familiar with Claude, let's set up your C environment for integration. Choosing the right C tools is crucial. Popular choices include Jenkins, GitLab C, and Travis C. Start by configuring your C environment to accommodate Claude's integration. Ensure you have all prerequisites, such as Python libraries and API access. Create a checklist to streamline the setup process, including dependencies and system requirements. By ensuring your environment is ready, you can prevent common integration issues and pave the way for a smooth Claude deployment.
With your C environment ready, it's time to configure Claude to act as a quality gate. This involves setting specific criteria for code quality, tailored to your project's needs. Claude can automate quality checks, ensuring only the best code moves forward. By integrating Claude into your C pipelines, you can streamline the development process, catch errors early, and maintain high standards. The benefits of automated quality gates include increased efficiency, fewer bugs, and higher overall project quality. With Claude, quality assurance becomes a seamless part of your C pipeline.
Automating model validation and testing is crucial for maintaining high-quality AI projects. With Claude, you can automate these processes, ensuring continuous testing within your C pipeline. Start by setting up validation pipelines that run tests automatically, checking for accuracy and reliability. This continuous testing approach helps catch issues early, allowing for quick fixes and improvements. By automating validation, you enhance model accuracy, reduce manual errors, and ensure that your AI models perform optimally, ultimately leading to more successful AI deployments. Compliance with AI development standards is essential for ethical and effective AI projects. Claude plays a pivotal role in ensuring your projects meet these standards. By integrating Claude into your C pipeline, you can automate compliance checks, ensuring all code adheres to industry regulations and guidelines. This integration not only simplifies the compliance process but also maintains a high standard of quality and ethics within your projects. Staying compliant means your AI models are trustworthy, reliable, and ready for deployment in real-world applications.
Integrating Claude into your C pipeline can present challenges, but understanding common issues helps mitigate them. Common problems include configuration errors, dependency conflicts, and API access issues. To troubleshoot these, employ techniques such as log analysis and debugging tools. Preventative measures include thorough setup checklists and regular environment updates. When issues arise, resources like community forums, official documentation, and support teams can be invaluable. By being proactive and equipped with the right knowledge, you can ensure a smooth and successful integration of Claude into your C pipeline.
Understanding the impact of Claude on your C pipeline performance is crucial for evaluating success. Key performance metrics include build time reduction, error rate decreases, and increased deployment frequency. By analyzing these metrics, you can assess the improvements Claude brings to your C process. Performance analysis also highlights areas for further improvement, allowing for continuous enhancement strategies. Ultimately, Claude's integration should lead to a more efficient, reliable, and effective C pipeline, driving your AI projects toward greater success.
To maximize the benefits of Claude in your C environment, it's essential to follow best practices. Regular updates and maintenance keep Claude running smoothly and securely. Implement monitoring and feedback loops to catch issues early and optimize performance. Ensure ongoing compliance with industry standards through consistent checks. Comprehensive documentation and training for your team are vital for long-term success. Finally, Fostering a culture of continuous improvement ensures your C pipeline remains at the forefront of AI development, leveraging Claude's capabilities to their fullest potential. In conclusion, integrating Claude into your C pipelines can significantly enhance your AI projects, ensuring quality, efficiency, and compliance. As we've explored today, the benefits of using Claude as a quality gate, automating validation, and maintaining high standards are immense. We encourage you to explore further and implement these strategies in your projects. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on AI development and C pipeline optimization. Thank you for watching.